I've just bought me a wee present. It's a Rimini 300. I'm going to do a little test on it. This is the first opening, so this is going to be fun. I shouldn't have even said the word. Ain't I glad to put a cover in there? Oh well. Yeah, it is. Can you guess what it is yet? Yeah, we're going to do a bit of camping with our Chrysler Grand Voyager. It's super big enough to sleep in, but you really need a little bit more outside space for to get, you know, changed, washed and such like. So hopefully this will do the job. So as you can see, we've not went into it yet, so not sure whether I need instructions or not. Nearly need instructions just to open it. Nice neat case. No trouble is, will it ever go back in it? And it looks like there's instructions. Oh, very precise. Oh, okay. No idea. Pins. So, take note of this so we know how to do it again, I suppose. Folds into the portion. I'm never going to get this back in anymore. That makes sense now. If I was to say this is not daunting, I'd be lying.
Oh, this is a bendy piece though. There's two bendy pieces, so that must be the roof.
Yeah, I would assume they're both the same. I do think this is going to be a 5-minute project.
Of course it is. I found one. So I'm in a pocket for this to sit into. Ah, could be this. Oh. It is 3 meters wide, so that's it, yeah.
Right, so that's roughly how the first one goes in. Well guys, we finally kind of worked out how the first one goes in. There's a couple of retaining pins on the straps, and that just goes in the bottom, goes through the hoops and clips on the sides. So I think that that's our first one in place. Alright, we worked out that the only part of the pole that's inside of it is actually what's on the roof.
You go over the other side, Chats, I'll push it through.
You only take it until the turn. You have to connect the post first before you put it in.
Oh, that's the clips again.
Might be easier to do it standing up now, I'm not sure. I'm going to try standing up, see how we go on. Now you can see how it's supposed to kind of go. Which is the very front of the tent. Once again you find a little pin. You don't want to be doing this when it's pouring down or if it's very windy, I wouldn't think.
I think once you build it up once or twice, you know how to do it. It was the first time, so this had exactly the measurements we needed. If I stand at the car, holding it, yeah? What's your verdict so far?
That's alright. Not as easy as I thought.
I think we can actually close the tent up when we drive away with the car and leave the tent on its own.
It'll probably be easier on grass.
I think I like it. Oh, collapsing.
Where does that one go? I think that one will go through this part here.
Ah.
On the inside. First time's always the hardest for anything.
Yeah.
Can you put that in the pocket on the outside?
Yeah. Okay. Push. No bad stitching anywhere.
Once this is all pulled out tight and staked, it'll all be nice and tight. I never bothered to put the ground sheet in yet. As you can see, the window blinds are still closed there. I used to split with the blinds over here. And because the driveway, it actually has a back in it. Now the back comes very nicely with 2 pockets. Now I'm sure that that's just for to store the back into. I'll use it for other things. Now I haven't bothered pegging anything down yet. Now as you can see, once it's open, you've got your full access to the car. I've only temporarily fastened it to my rail, but it actually comes with a metal pole that you can put a strap from either side and take it over the car to your wheel. You would normally stake it down. Of course, when you drive off, if you want to go somewhere, you just unconnect it from your car, let that hang, and fasten the back up again. The windows, it's actually quite nice from the inside. Plenty of room.
It feels a bit cooler already.
I can actually stand.
Cooler than outside.
I'm over 6 foot and I can stand. No problem anywhere in here. It's very nice.
3 meter.
It's 3 meter from end to end. And you have a little bit of a sun canopy on the outside too. A rain canopy, keeps the water off. As I say, we would normally stake this down with elastic. You would stake that back down to here, and that gives you a nice seal between the car, and of course you've got all your points for fastening it down to.
I'm happy with that, Chad.
Yes, I'm very happy with it. Like I say, once it's all staked out.
I look forward to going away.
Yeah, we're looking forward to going on holiday now. You're just closing the back up. Now we'll close all the curtains up and see if we can pack it away. It's actually not as difficult as it seems. It's just knowing, the first time, knowing what to go where. The instructions, I think, leave a little bit to be desired. Like for the bottom, for instance, there's only little pins that you put into the bottom to secure the rods. You've got the inside rods that push the sides out to hold it steady, and you have the bar that goes across the top on the roof rack, and you secure it from either end with straps going across the car. This will actually roll up and fasten back if you want it to. See all the fastening points. All in all, very happy with the purchase, and when it's closed up like so, we can use it to get changed or washed or whatever else that you would do in a 4 tent. Yeah,
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. If you don't forget, boys and girls, if you like the video, like, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up.
Like Brian said, I like it.
I like it a lot.